How to back up all the data on Android before the factory reset. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to back up all the data because the factory reset deletes everything, so we need to first secure our data. So go to our settings for that. And once we go to settings, we can scroll down and look out for the Google option and tap on it. And under Google, we can look out for the option called backup. So go to all services, and within all services, scroll down and look out for the option called backup and restore and tap on backup. And once we tap on backup, what we can do is we can just go over and turn on the backup by Google One. So go ahead and tap on turn on, and that would save us the contact, the applications, the call history, the device settings, and SMS, and many more. That is one of the method available. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and look out for our file manager. And from there, we can just go and copy the important folders, documents, WhatsApp medias, etc., and move them to a SD card or computer or storage and back it up. Also, from each of the application, we can manually back up. For example, WhatsApp, Instagram, they have backup on. You can tap on backup, and that should save the chat, photos, and videos. And that is done. Once it is done, if you want a factory reset, look out for the settings option. And under settings, you can scroll down, look out for general management, tap on it, and from there go to the option called reset and look out for the option called factory data reset and confirm it up. That should delete everything. You can use the backup that was done in order to reset your phone or recover your data. And that is it, everybody. For now, you can follow out this method to do so. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.